It's time to put the golf clubs away. You know it. Every day, it's the same old thing. Day in and day out. Deep down, you're not happy. And drugs, booze, and weed ain't gonna do it either. However, if you could take that step and pull the trigger on your very first motorcycle, you will experience things that will stay with you forever. Life is meant for living, not staying on our mobile devices all day. It's time to get perspective. It's time to come back from the weekend refreshed, recharged, and refocused. The ones around you will notice there's something different about you. Seeing new things and going different places does something to somebody. It changes them from the inside out. And the sights that you will see, well, those are for you to keep. I'm Berm Cannon, and in the next videos, join me as I guide new riders like you into the world of motorcycling. It's time just to go for it, and you could be on your way to a whole nother life. And the only thing you'll be thinking about is, why didn't I do it sooner? Okay, here we are. Where do we start first? Where would you like to start first? Here's a couple videos to check out.